scoop dog here, and I saw fluid shoot out, and I thought it was a hydraulic leak. Turns out it was the ballast in my tire shooting out. Somewhere it got a puncture or something. Looks like right there. And yeah, that was it for this. I'm gonna try to get this fixed. If not, I have a tube for it. So I'm gonna run and do that. It's eating into my track hoe time, but whatever. Well, the tire, this has been, I let it sit for a little over 24 hours in the RV over there. And it's not solid enough. I don't know if it would come off the rim or not, off the bead, the way it is right now, but I think it would be prudent to add another can of this stuff. And as much as it costs to get this done, which I think is about $100 a tire, if I remember right, something like that, or maybe both tires were 110, I don't know, but a lot more than this stuff costs. I'm going to go ahead and put another can in it just to make it more firm. So I'm going to pick out the holes that have the foam in it right now. I could feel a nice little void in there. You know, this tire is just not very solid. So I know I don't want it rock solid per se, but I do want it somewhat firm, because once that weight goes on it, it's going to make a difference. I think it's not quite there yet. So I'm gonna put in another can of foam. What the heck was that? It looked like a bat or something. Into the tire, rotate it just like I did the first time, and see where we end up. Give it another 24 hours to settle out, and then go from there. My little buddy Mario right here. He's not my dog, he's the neighbor's dog, but I always give this dog a lot of love, give him hot dogs. He likes weenies. And he really got my heart the other day. There's a big dog that lives with these neighbors, and the dog kind of got out and was aggressive toward me. And this little guy shot like a missile right over to my defense and bit the other dog and got him from being aggressive toward me. You know what I mean? He really took one for the team. Say hi, Mario. Say hi. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, this dog's got a lot of heart, man. This little chihuahua is no joke, man. Anyway, on to the matter at hand. Let's get this tire filled up. See if I can push through the existing hole. Yeah, I probably could, but I'm going to use these welding pliers to kind of dig in there a little better. Hopefully you can hear me, but I'm using some pliers to dig in. I shook this can up for about a minute too. Alright, so I'm going to squirt both directions in each hole here and then rotate it. So 5 seconds each direction I think would be good. 3, 4, 5. Brought this tire in the RV and I'm going to warm it up with this heater. I think I'm 3 cans in at this point and it's still not firm. It's like really soft. So, see that? It's too soft. I know it shouldn't be that soft. I don't want to risk putting it on a tractor that the tire peels off of it. So, especially today, the tire shop is closed. It's Sunday. So I want to warm this up really good. I want to warm up the can of foam really good. And I bought a cool little gadget to shake it up. So maybe if we get it shaken up real good, shooken up, whatever, it will expand properly. So the first thing is to get the tire up to a good temperature. It doesn't make sense to put warm stuff in a cold tire. It's not really that cold right now. It's probably in the 50s, but I want it warmer because I think stuff will expand more. Let's give it a shot. All right, so this is like the 4th can of this stuff that I went through, and it's still, like I said before, it's soft, you know? There's no firmness. So I'm gonna try to put yet another can in, but we're gonna shake it up better. So I bought this doodad off of, I think, Amazon. Called a Quick Mix Quick. And it attaches to your reciprocating saw. Well, that thing looks worn out, don't it? Anyway, but you don't go full tilt boogie on it because you'll break it. So these straps turn around like so, and you load it in. It's got like a saw blade deal on it, like that. Get another can of this expanding foam. Lock it in there. See if we can get any better action here. It's got like a ratcheting thing. So to really hold that can in there good. That thing's pretty dang effective. I like it. Because boy, it wears your hand out trying to do that all by hand. Alright, so let's unlatch this here. Pretty good. They got rubber too to hold the can a little better. So this is thoroughly shaken. And we got to get some new holes going here. These are kind of filled up. I think I used my pickaroon. If you guys don't have a pickaroon, get one if you do anything with wood, because boy, these things bite into wood and help you move it around. I like this steel one. They're about 75 bucks or so. Still has moisture in it. I wonder if that windshield washer fluid is causing my problem still, because it's chock full of windshield washer fluid. Let's see. See it leaking out. Can't imagine it's causing that much of a problem though. Maybe it is. This stuff's supposed to work with moisture already, but it's hard to say, man. Seems like it should have expanded more than it has, though, that's for darn sure. And there's a lot of that windshield washer fluid in there. Yep. Try more. About 15 seconds. Seem to break this thing. Oh, crap. broke it that time. Yeah. Jeez. Get it in this gash. There's still quite a bit in there too. Yeah. Break it off like that, then just go in straight. Who needs that nozzle anyway? Gushing out. Jeez. Well, either shaking the can or just the fact that I stuffed so much foam in this. About 10 bucks a can. It's about $40 to do, so it might be better just to go to one of those places if you can find it. I think they quoted me like $110 to do both tires, so it might be the way to go. But I tried to order more of this foam, but now it says it's a hazardous material and to pick a different address on Amazon. So ordered a different company, but hopefully this is good. I don't know what's up with that address stuff. They shipped it once. Anyway, we're gonna mount this thing and see how it goes. Tire looks low, quite low actually, and I don't even have any real weight on this besides the tractor itself. So we'll see how long it stays on. It probably could use even more foam, but I'm just gonna roll with it now because I got some work to do with this thing, which is loading up some of these rocks onto that trailer. So we're gonna use it and see what happens. I'll report back. Well, that didn't take very long. That windshield washer fluid kind of ruined the idea. I'm going to take this off and get the tire put on it, I guess. So here's what the foam inside looked like. Yeah, it's full of moisture. You can see that. That's that windshield washer fluid. I think that screwed it all up, but that's 4 cans of foam in the tire right there. The guy had to wrestle off of there. So, yeah, man. Whatever. I wonder if I should keep this tire and turn it into a planter. Nah, it's just garbage. We'll let this one go by the wayside. But anyway, that's what it looked like in there. That probably was firm enough, actually. If I'd have kept going with it, maybe it would have been... It's pretty damn firm, but I'm just going to get it professionally done if I do it again, which I probably will. So thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe on my failed experiment here, and onward and upward we go. Shalom.